Welcome back. Today we are looking at 30 funny and weird Kansas facts. 1. Did you know it was illegal to put ice cream on cherry pie in Kansas? Yeah, apparently dessert needed rules. 2. Topeka used to ban snowball fights. No joke. Throwing one could get you in trouble until 2005. 3. Here's a wild one. Whistling underwater was technically against the law. 4. You also couldn't shoot rabbits from a motorboat. Because that was such a common issue. 5. In Wichita, carrying a hidden bean snapper, basically a slingshot, was off limits. 6. Kansas is a tornado magnet. More twisters per square mile than anywhere else in the U.S. 7. The exact center of the U.S. is in Kansas, near a tiny town called Lebanon. Talk about Middle America. 8. Don't spit on the sidewalk in Dodge City unless you want a fine. 9. One town is literally named Gas, and their slogan, "Don't pass gas, stop and enjoy it." Classic. 10. In Salina, it's illegal to leave your car running and walk away. Cold mornings must be rough. 11. The state reptile is a turtle, the ornate box turtle to be specific. 12. If a vending machine steals your money in Kansas, don't even think about hitting it. That's against the law. 13. Believe it or not, scientists once proved Kansas is flatter than a pancake. 14. Each year, Kansas grows enough wheat to bake 36 billion loaves of bread. Carb lovers, rejoice. 15. In some towns, you can't serve wine in teacups. Apparently, the presentation matters. 16. They've got a giant ball of twine that weighs over 20,000 pounds, and people keep adding to it. 17. Overland Park used to ban ice cream trucks. No jingle, no fun. 18. Dodge City banned guns way back in the 1870s. Yep, even the Wild West had rules. 19. Fun fact. Pizza Hut started in Wichita thanks to 2 college students. 20. One town once banned singing the alphabet at night because kids were out here serenading Z's. 21. The first woman mayor in the U.S. right here in Kansas in 1887. 22. There's a museum in Kansas just for barbed wire. Seriously. 23. In good land, you'll find the world's largest easel with a giant Van Gogh painting on it. Why not? 24. Hunting whales is illegal in Kansas. Yup, whales, in a landlocked state. 25. Dorothy was from Kansas, but here's the twist. None of The Wizard of Oz was actually filmed there. 26. Still, Wamego KS went all in. They've got an Oz museum with over 25,000 items. 27. In Russell, you can't ride a mule down Main Street in August unless you're wearing a straw hat. That's oddly specific. 28. There was once a 15-foot-tall prairie dog statue in the middle of nowhere. 29. Kansas has over 6,000 ghost towns. That's a lot of spooky silence. 30. And finally, in some parts of Kansas, the land is so flat you can see the curve of the earth. Mind blown. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next state.